In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your Illustrator file for the web. So we'll go to File, and you'll see that there's a few save options. There's the regular save, which will just save your Illustrator document in the original file format that it's in. Save As for saving it as a new file name. Save a copy, Save as template, and Save for web. So you want to make sure you select Save for web, and a new dialog box opens up. Let me see if I can shrink this. So I can't quite get the bottom buttons in there, but this will give you a basic idea. So the first thing to do is select the file format that you want. And the reason for saving for web is to shrink the file size, as well as being able to convert the colors of the document into a system that is more compatible with the web. And at the top we have the 2-up option. This will show you the original document and then what the next version will look like. The reason why this has checker boxes is to show that the background was transparent. And when you were editing in Illustrator, it looked white, and that was because it was transparent and representing that if it was printed on paper, the background would look white. Because I have this right now in JPEG format, JPEG does not save transparency, so it adds a white background. However, if I select GIF does allow for transparency, as does PNG. So you can see that that changed to the checkers. But just keep in mind that the checkers do not actually save into your file. They're just a representation for you to know that it's transparent. So I'm going to go back to JPEG. And the reason why we have this representation of what the final will look like is because you can change the quality of your document to reduce the size. So it went down to 11K, but you might be able to see that it's gotten rather blurry around here. It doesn't look very good. For now, I'm just going to set it to high. If I want to change the size of the document, I can. And with an Illustrator file that's created with all vectors, you can resize this document and you won't get any reduction in quality the way you would with a raster image in Photoshop. So I would like to increase this to 200%. I type in the value and I don't see a change. I need to actually click off of that. For some reason, it's not showing in the preview. It looks like there was just a temporary glitch where it wasn't reflecting in the preview. But now we can see that it's enlarged after I clicked off the percentage. And then when I'm done, I'll hit the Save button, which is down here on the bottom right, which is cut off of the tutorial, unfortunately. And that is how you save an image for web. And again, as you can see, the size of the document changed quite a bit. It's much smaller. So I'll go ahead and hit save, and I am done.